Hi guys, my name is Seema and today I'm going to walk you through deployment pipelines in Power BI. So before any further delay, let's head over to my screen. Alright, so what are deployment pipelines? So every organization have three different environments like production, test and development. Once we are done with the report, once we are done with the development work, we just go ahead and deploy or publish the report in development. And similarly for testing we have UAT or test environment, and for production we have production environment. So to make this entire cycle simpler, we have deployment pipelines. All right, this is our workspace. This is how it looks like. Okay, and this is deployment pipelines on the left hand side of your workspace. All right, so in order to have these deployment pipelines, we need to create some workspaces. So the prerequisite to create deployment pipelines on your workspace, you need to have a premium license. Okay, you can be a pro member, but the workspace has to be on the premium capacity. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll first create a workspace. So just click on workspaces and create. I'll take a name as test. Okay, and if you have any description you can write and save. Okay, so I have the test workspace over here. Go to your workspaces. Now when I see test, okay, this is just a normal workspace. It is not of premium capacity. How do you recognize this diamond sign? This diamond over here is the sign which tells us that this workspace is a premium workspace. Okay, what I'll do is to turn this test into premium, I'll click on these three dots and go to workspace settings. Okay, and I'll click on premium. So my license mode at the moment is pro. I need to change it to premium per user, and I'll save it. This will ask me only the people who have premium per user license will be able to access this workspace. Okay, I'll say yes. All right, now I have this diamond sign available next to my workspace. You see that? Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and publish a small report, the one I have recently created for my personal purpose. All right. I will click it on test. Okay, I'll select test and I'll just publish it. Won't take too long. Okay, and here we go. We've done that. Right, we have sample dashboard on our test, which is of premium capacity. Now let's create pipelines. Okay, so once you go to deployment pipelines, this is the page. You click on create pipelines, then you write the name, say demo. Okay, and create. All right, automatically it will create development, test and production environment for you. Now you need to assign workspace. Click on assign and choose the workspace that we've just created, and that was test. So we are going to assign it to development. All right, we've got one report and one data sets here. Nothing in the test and nothing in the production. What I'll do is I'll just deploy it. So I'm done with the development. I'm sending it for the test now. Now every organization, they have testers, or sometimes the BI people that test these reports, dashboards. Okay. Once they test it, you can again, here, see, this is deployed. The green sign says everything is synced between both the workspaces. Now you can, once the testing is done, the tester can deploy it again to production. Right? Few more seconds and we'll be done. Alright, go to your workspace to check this out. Okay, so all the three workspaces have one. Now another cool feature, another cool thing that I want to tell you. this sign. This is deployment setting. You click on deployment setting and you will see sample dashboard data sets. You do a double click, you add rule here, and you can change the source. So sometimes we have less number of data in development, and you have like a little more data in test, and huge data in for production. So for that you can change the path, or you can give the source name over here. You just have to add rule and save. And similarly you can add parameters as well to your reports. At the moment I haven't. If you have, you can just add, and you can choose the parameter from here and you can just save. Okay, at the moment I do not have parameters defined in my report, so I'll just leave that and I'll save. Okay, similarly you can do this for production as well, and you are good to go. Okay, now you see this is turning red while this is turning green. So you can click on compare and you'll see both of them has one. You just deploy just to reconcile, and it will take few seconds. Okay, and you're all green. Again, some changes have been made. So each time there are changes, it will give you that red or orange sign, in order to check that we have equal amount of information, like one report here, and one report. If we have two reports here and we have just one in both of these, so we will have orange or red sign over here. But if we have all just one in all, then it will have green. So you keep publishing your data sets, your reports, your dashboards on these, and keep automating the process. Okay, so that's all I have from today's video. If you have any questions or comments, you can write them below, and if you like my video, just click thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Thank you.